Let's start by getting our matrices into the calculator. To do that, I'm going to go to my matrix menu, so second and then x to the -1, which has matrix on it. I've already got a couple of matrices in here, but no big deal. I'm going to type right over those. I want to arrow over to choose edit, and I do want to edit matrix A. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, or you could hit number 1. So I'm just going to hit enter. Right now it's a 4x5 matrix. That means that I've got 4 rows and 5 columns. I only want 2 rows and 2 columns. So I'm going to type right over this, 2 enter, and I get the right dimensions for my matrix. Now I can go ahead and type in my entries, and those are 2 enter, 3 enter, 1 enter, and then to get -4, I'm going to use the little negative down by my enter key. So I want negative and then 4 enter. So I've got matrix A all set to go. Let's also put in matrix B. So to put in matrix B, I'm going to go back into my matrix menu. So second and then matrix. Arrow over to edit. This time I want to arrow down to matrix B and then hit enter. This one's already a 2x2 matrix, but you could certainly change the dimensions by just typing over those. Now I don't want a 3x3, so I'm going to change it back to a 2x2. So 2 enter, 2 enter. Now these entries are -5. So again, the little negative down by the enter key. So -5 enter. 2 enter, and then row 2 is going to be -3 enter, followed by 1 enter. Now that we've got these matrices in here, we can do all sorts of easy operations, many of them on our home screen. So I want to quit here to get to the home screen, second followed by quit. I can grab my matrix names and say add those two matrices together. So second matrix, I'm going to grab a matrix name. I do want to grab matrix A. So let's go ahead and hit enter, and it brings A up. I can just hit the plus sign now, and then let's do the same and grab matrix B. So second matrix, matrix B, and then enter. And I've got my sum of matrices. Now I can do the same thing with matrix multiplication. So again, going to my matrix menu, so I can go second matrix and then names. I'm going to hit enter to choose matrix A, and I'm just going to leave this without a multiplication symbol, but you could put the multiplication symbol in here. And then second matrix, I want matrix B, and then enter, and there's the product of those two matrices. We can do scalar multiples as well. So say 3 times that matrix. So second matrix, and then enter to get to matrix A. The other operation that I can do right from my home screen is the inverse of a matrix. So if I go to my matrix menu, I'm going to grab matrix B this time. So in names, and then arrow down to B, matrix B. I want its inverse, so I'm going to use x to the -1 key. You could also do this with a caret to the -1. And there is B inverse. Now, if I wanted to confirm that this actually was the inverse, B times this inverse needs to give me the identity matrix back. 1's in the diagonal, 0's everywhere else. And I can confirm that by doing matrix multiplication. So second matrix to grab matrix B, and I want to multiply it by B inverse. I'm going to arrow up to grab B inverse and then hit enter to bring it down on my line, and then I get the 2x2 identity matrix. Now there are also some operations that don't live on the home screen, so we need to go back to our matrix menu for those. So second matrix, I'm going to arrow over to that math sub menu. So for example, I've got the determinant there. So I can hit enter to find the determinant of a matrix, and then second matrix, let's grab matrix A this time, and it's going to give me that numerical value, the determinant. Finally, let's do row reduced echelon form. Your calculator does a great job of that. So into the matrix menu and over to math. These happen to live towards the bottom of our list, so I'm actually going to arrow up. So if I arrow up, you'll see that we've got row reduced echelon form, and we have reduced echelon form. I'm going to go ahead and do row reduced echelon form. Let me hit enter, and I'm going to do this with matrix A. So matrix A and then enter, and this one actually row reduces to the identity matrix. So many things that you can do. I've got another video for you here.